Hi guys, we're back. Day 4 of the Body, Mind, Spirit Challenge. My name is Jim Standish and I am one of your co-hosts here representing the Spiritual Pillar. So, I want to recap real quick. We're going to look at what we've been doing so far. We have picked up a notebook. One of the first questions we wrote in that notebook is, who am I and what am I doing here? And then I asked you to think about the potentiality of having a folder or potentially unresolved mathematical equations that you actually came to planet Earth to experience and to work on yourself, right? And as we work on ourselves, slowly our vibration gets higher and higher and higher. I will tell you that probably the most valuable asset that you have is your health. Your mental health, your spiritual health, your physical health. Most important asset that you have. So I would suggest that one of the most important things that we can do is work on ourselves, is work on that stuff. And as we do, our vibration gets higher and higher and higher. I think a lot of people will tell you that there are blockages along that path, and a lot of energy workers work on removing blocks. Now, we're going to talk about those blocks. We're going to talk about how we create those blocks, where they store in our body, and of course, how to identify them and get rid of them. So, part of your homework for today, is to write down experiences that you wanted to have when you came here. Now I don't know if I talked about this yet. I want to talk about the neural pathways. Did we talk about this? That the neural pathways, that when you actually write something down, that it creates, I have read that it creates tens of thousands of neural pathways, that when the act of writing and using a pen and using cursive lettering and print or whatever you do, that it actually creates more neural pathways. And we're going to get into that much later when we get into manifesting and tips and techniques on how to make your manifestations come true. We're most definitely going to be writing them down on paper. There's something about typing, and typing just doesn't do the same thing that writing does. So here we are, day 4. What are the experiences that you wanted to have when you came to planet Earth? That's all. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.